Mastering Email Etiquette, CC and BCC explained. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today we're going to be discussing an important part of modern communication, email etiquette, specifically focusing on CC and BCC fields in emails. So, let's dive in and discover what they are and how we can use them appropriately. CC stands for carbon copy, while BCC stands for blind carbon copy. When you CC someone on an email, all the recipients, i.e., the primary recipients, the CC recipients, and even the BCC recipients, can see who else got the email. On the other hand, when you BCC someone, no other recipient, including the primary and CC recipients, can see that the BCC recipient got the email. You can use the CC field when you want to keep people in the loop, but they are not the direct recipients of your message. For instance, if you're writing to a colleague about a project and you want your manager to stay updated, you might CC your manager. You should use BCC when you need to send an email to a large group of people and want to maintain their privacy. When you BCC recipients, you protect their email addresses from being exposed to all the other recipients. This is particularly important in maintaining professional etiquette and privacy. It's important to remember that CC and BCC should be used judiciously. Always ask yourself whether the people you are CCing or BCCing need to be included in the email communication. It's also good etiquette to respect privacy and avoid overusing these options to prevent flooding others' inboxes. And that wraps up our lesson on CC and BCC in email etiquette. We hope this clarifies their use and helps you maintain a professional and respectful image in your written communication. Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!